Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a dish that's not only a staple of Japanese cuisine but also perfect representation of spring, Asari Miso Soup. Spring is the prime season for asari and we're going to start from scratch, including how to properly remove sand from the clams. So let's get into it and make some delicious miso soup. First up, we are purging the clams of sand. This is crucial for ensuring your soup is smooth and grit-free. It's all about recreating the clams' natural environment to encourage them to release any sand they've ingested. This prep step makes the actual cooking process a breeze later on. Find a large container where the clams won't be too crowded. Mix the salt into the water until fully dissolved, creating a saline solution similar to seawater. This encourages the clams to purge any sand. Place your clams in the container, ensuring they are not piled on top of each other. Cover with aluminum foil, poking a few holes to allow for air circulation. Remember, clams need air to breathe. Let them sit in cool, dark place for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, rinse the clams in a bowl, rubbing their shells together to remove any lingering sand. The water will become cloudy as sand is removed. Drain the clams. If you are not using them immediately, you can freeze them for later use. Just make sure they are dry and store them in a Ziploc bag. Now let's make the Asari Miso Soup. In a pot, combine the clams and sake. Cover and cook over high heat, shaking the pot occasionally until the clams open. Once the clams have opened, add water and bring to a simmer, skimming off any scum that forms. Turn off the heat before adding the miso paste to preserve its flavor and aroma. Stir until the miso is fully dissolved. Serve in bowls, garnish with chopped green onion. It's amazing how just clams, sake, and miso can create such a flavorful broth. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, a beautiful bowl of Asari Miso Soup, bursting with the fresh flavor of spring. It's a simple dish that brings the taste of the sea straight to your table. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more Japanese cooking adventures. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!